Hey, quick question. Have you ever found yourself asking someone to repeat what they said more than once? Or maybe your family keeps complaining that TV is way too loud. If this sounds similar, it's not just you. And no, it's not just getting old. It could be your hearing asking for a little help. Let's talk about when it's actually time to consider a hearing aid and how you can make that process super simple with Hears app. Hearing loss isn't always sudden. It often creeps in slowly, especially in your late 30s and 40s, and you don't even notice it at first. But there are 5 signs to watch out for. 1. Constantly asking people to repeat themselves. If you are always going, sorry, what did you say? Especially in group settings, your ears might be missing certain frequencies. Number 2, TV or phone volume keeps creeping up. If your family complains it's too loud but you still feel like it's too soft, that's a big red flag. Number 3, difficulty hearing in noisy environments. Restaurants, weddings, even office meetings. If background noise makes it impossible to focus, your hearing filters might not be working right. Number 4, lip reading without realizing it. If you have started watching people's lips more than listening to their words, that's a subconscious coping mechanism. Number 5, you avoid social situations. Missing conversations can be frustrating. A lot of people just start withdrawing, not because they want to, but because keeps up getting exhausting. Now here's the deal. Your brain and ears work as a team. If your ears stop sending certain sounds, your brain stops recognizing them. Waiting too long can actually make hearing aids less effective later. That's why early action makes a huge difference. And trust me, it's not as scary or expensive as it used to be. And this is where Hears app comes in. It's an easy, reliable platform that helps you take charge of your hearing health without any pressure or confusion. With Hears app, you can book a free hearing test at home or nearby. Talk to a certified audiologist. Even try hearing aids at home. Whether you're just curious or genuinely worried, Hears app makes the entire process simple, private, and approachable. Look, hearing loss happens, but you don't have to live in denial or discomfort. If you have noticed any of the signs I mentioned, even just one, it's worth checking in. Click the link in the description to book your free hearing test with Hears app. It could be the first step towards hearing more clearly and living more fully. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy health tips, and share it with someone who might need to hear this literally. Thanks for watching. Take care of your hearing and take care of yourself.